Hi, in this video I will show you how to buy PEPE Coin on Metamask. For that, first we need to find the contract address for PEPE. In order to find it, you first need to launch any of your browsers, and here in the search bar you need to search for coinmarketcap.com. After that, use the search bar and search for PEPE. Once you are able to find the PEPE coin, you just have to scroll down a bit and you will be able to see a section of contracts. So basically we have the contract address of PEPE based on Ethereum. So there is no more option. It simply means that you cannot purchase PEPE on any other networks. So you need to just tap on it in order to copy the address, and then you need to launch your Metamask mobile application. After that, the first setting that you need to do is to make sure that you are in the Ethereum main network, because as I said earlier, PEPE is based on the Ethereum main network. Now once we are done, you need to tap on the import token option, and here you need to tap on custom tokens. After that, use this section and paste the code that we have just copied. After that, tap on the next button and it will automatically take the token symbol as well as the token decimal. So you need to tap on the next button. Then we have PEPE. Now tap on import. After that, the PEPE token will be imported in your Metamask account. So you just have to tap on it. Now in order to purchase it, you have two options. You can either swap your Ethereum to PEPE directly into your Metamask account, or second thing that you can do is you can simply tap on the receive button and you can receive PEPE from any other exchanges that you have to your Metamask account. So this way you will be able to get PEPE coin in your Metamask account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.